Alright, we're in Maryland, Pennsylvania border. It is 2:30 p.m. June, and here comes some crazy winds. Holy cow. It is June 18th, 2012. And the clouds are looking spec-freaking-tacular. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Where? Oh wow. Yeah. And we're actually right in front of this thing right now. So I think we're gonna ride out. There's nothing we can do. We are in the middle of it. Alright, right there is where we're at. Where that really red rotation. Holy freaking cow. We're probably getting 50 mile an hour maybe? Not quite yet. 40 to 50 mile an hour winds probably. We're getting some crazy freaking gusts. Look at all the dust blowing up. Oh dude, are you serious? I can't see that. Oh, that dust. And a dust tornado. Here's another picture from up above us. I mean, it's just, for Pennsylvania, this is very bizarre. Wow, look at all the freaking dust out there that falls in. See, that just tells you right there that we're getting some strong wind gusts. You can see the board in front of us. Board in front of us! It's going insane! I'm still, the clouds are looking amazing. Oh my gosh. Hey, so I'm with Mom. Huh? One day I texted her. This is one of the craziest storm structures I've ever seen yet. We're starting to get a lot of wind, so we're gonna have to just hang out. I can't see what's on the camera, Brad. Because I'm telling you what, it is like. Gosh, they are. Over in that direction is Greencastle, Pennsylvania. That's where we live. Well, yeah, look at those. Look at those things moving. I wonder if this is a microburst, because it is like pouring over there. We're right on the side of it too, which is perfect. I mean, it. You record? Yeah. That dark area, and then over here, pretty much Greencastle is getting pretty hard hit right now, so.
This is the perfect place to be. Remember I brought you up here?
Yeah.
The first time? It seems like it's nice because it's like right along the edge.
Oh, we're gonna get it. Don't worry. I guarantee you we're gonna have some wind damage. We're gonna go check out. When this storm moves through, we're gonna check out. No, dude, I don't even worry about lightning at a time like this. This is amazing. Watching everything come in. Get a call. We did have a decent cloud, like wall cloud possibly, but now it's pretty much just ominous clouds. But it still looks nice. Hey, what's up? Hello. Yeah. Hey, where are you at right now? Oh my god. You guys are gonna get nailed. Is it raining up there yet? We're out here at the field right now that I took you a little bit ago. We're watching this storm just slowly blowing, and it's like, literally we're getting like probably a good 50-mile-an-hour gusts here and there. Yeah, it's nuts. What are you saying? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, trust me, it's crazy right now. So. There's a severe thunderstorm warning, but that's it for now. There's not really. It doesn't look like there's enough for a tornado to happen. But definitely doesn't mean it's not gonna be an easy storm. Definitely get hail or wind damage. Wind damage is gonna probably be the main thing right now. Cause it's freaking windy.
That's why I started getting freaked out or that lightning.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you're probably coming straight through the part that we're watching. It's like nuts. Like the sky is blue, not even kidding. It is an awesome storm. Brad's scared because it's lightning out. He don't want to get struck. When thunder roars. Yeah, so probably we're going to be out for a little bit because we're going to wait for this storm to move through, and then
Wow.
I got that.
That's awesome.
And then we're going to probably go up north, and I want to see if there's wind damage because I'm pretty sure there probably is going to be wind damage and trees down and stuff. Like up north where you're coming from. Marion's the hardest hit area right now, so we're getting some of their winds right now and it ain't raining, so I guarantee you they're like getting some crazy bad winds.
Right, look at that big circle. Wow.
I know, let's see that. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'll call you later and tell you what's up. Be out for a little bit. Alrighty, sounds good. Wow. He's not here.
Like, how is it? Like, dude, it's one of the better storms.
Lonnie, this is all you're missing out on, man. It don't look too exhilarating right now, but
That's
it's
just unreal how that cloud right there circles.
Look how.
If that cloud would actually circle the whole way
See what I'm talking about? There's little things that you look at.
Yeah.
Like, see how that's it's just like a line, and then it curves in. Even though it's not really structured right now, it's like a hook. It would be perfect for anything to like form in that little area right there. Cause you see how literally you can actually see it.
Yeah.
What I'm explaining to Brett is this line right here, and then it's coming into a curl.
Oh, that was that.
I got it. Wait, see how it just
Oh, look over here.
I saw.
Erlein's like, wow, looks good.
Like there's clouds moving.
How is that? Isn't that crazy how there's like those storms are there's like
Yeah, you can get lightning anytime. Look at them clouds. This is gonna be good footage to put up on